Good afternoon, students. This is your science period, and I am your science teacher, Mrs. Chandra Sen, is going to discuss a chapter that is known as Fiber to Fabric for your revision. In continuation to the revision of this chapter, first we have to know that what is a fiber. That fiber is a long thread-like structure which are woven into the fabric, and in continuation to the fiber, children, do you know how many types of fibers are there? There are two types of fibers. How many types of fibers are there? There are two types of fibers. Fibers are of two types. First one is natural fiber, and second one is artificial fiber. Artificial fiber can be named as synthetic fiber or man-made fiber. First we are going to discuss what about the natural fibers. The fibers which are obtained from plants and animals is known as natural fiber. For example, plant fiber, that is the cotton, jute, and animal fiber, that is the wool and silk. Now move on to the artificial fiber or synthetic fiber or man-made fiber. The fibers which are made by human being in the laboratory is known as artificial or synthetic or man-made fiber. For example, nylon, rayon, polyester, etc. Out of these two kinds of fiber, nylon is first fully synthetic fiber because it is first time prepared in the laboratory by using petrochemicals. That is, the fully synthetic fiber is the name is the nylon. Now next topic we have to discuss what are the advantages of natural fiber or artificial over the artificial fiber. That is, as we concern, natural fibers are plant fiber and animal fiber, and they are very costly. And as we concern about the artificial fiber, that they are prepared from chemicals and they are available in market in wide variety. Out of this artificial fiber, that is rayon, which is also known as artificial silk. Natural silk, that is animal fiber, which is invented by the Chinese scientist in the 5th century, but their cost is very much high. Therefore Indian scientists have developed a silk fiber which which properties are very much similar to the natural fibers of the silk, that is known as rayon, and it is known as artificial silk. In class 7th, we have to study two types of animal fiber, that is wool and silk. And wool is obtained from the animals, that are the sheep. In class 7th, we are already going to discuss the two types of animal fiber. First one is wool and second one is silk. As we know, the wool is obtained from fleece or hair part of the sheep or yak, and silk fibers are comes from cocoon of the silk moth. In this topic, we have first discussed what are the animals which gives us wool. Wool comes from sheep, goat, yak, and some other animal. And what about the silk fiber? The silk fiber is obtained from cocoon of the silkworm. In the skin of the sheep, it has two types of fiber that form the fleece, the coarse beard hair and the fine soft under hair close to the skin. The fine hair provide the fibers for making wool, and some breeds of sheep possess only fine under hair, and their parents are specially chosen to give birth to the sheep which have only soft under hair, and the process of selecting parents for obtaining special character in their offspring, such as soft under hair, is in sheep is termed as selective breeding. The wool is also obtained from goat hair. Under the fur of Kashmiri goat is soft and it is woven into fine shawls called pashmina. And to and to preparation of fibers to the wool, first process is rearing, that is domestication of animals for commercial process, is known as rearing. And that is that in the some Indian states, that is Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh, and Sikkim, or the plains of Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Gujarat, it is sheep are reared for getting wool. And many variety of sheep which we use to get wool are Lohi, Rampur Bushehr, Nali, Bakarwal, Marwari, and Pathanwadi. And for the first process for getting wool is for shearing. That is, what do you understand by the term shearing? The fleece of the sheep, the removal of fleece of the sheep along the thin layer of skin is known as shearing, and after that it is thus washed in a white tank known as scoring, and after scoring sorting is done, and then finally fibers are straightened, combed and rolled into yarn, and this is the procedure of getting fiber from the wool. Thank you, student.